What to plant with potatoes? Did you know that potatoes, those humble underground treasures, actually have best friends in the garden? While these starchy staples might seem like solitary characters, they truly thrive when surrounded by the right companions. Today, we're digging into the fascinating world of companion planting with potatoes. First and foremost, aromatic herbs like basil and cilantro make exceptional potato partners. Their pungent scents naturally repel destructive potato beetles and other persistent pests, while simultaneously attracting beneficial pollinators to your garden. Moreover, these flavorful herbs don't compete aggressively for nutrients, making them considerate neighbors indeed. Equally impressive companions are marigolds, whose vibrant orange and yellow blooms aren't just decorative additions. These cheerful flowers actively release chemical compounds into the soil that deter harmful nematodes which might otherwise damage your potato crop. Additionally, their strong scent masks the potato plant's aroma, cleverly confusing potential pests. Furthermore, bush beans deserve special mention as potato allies. As legumes, they possess the remarkable ability to fix nitrogen from the air directly into the soil, essentially providing natural fertilizer for your hungry potatoes. Consequently, this mutually beneficial relationship helps both plants flourish without extra amendments. However, not all plants make good companions. Notably, you should absolutely avoid planting tomatoes, peppers, or eggplants near your potatoes. Since these nightshade relatives share similar nutrient requirements, and more importantly, susceptibility to identical diseases, planting them together dramatically increases the risk of devastating blights spreading throughout your garden. Similarly, sunflowers might seem like friendly giants, but their extensive root systems aggressively compete with potatoes for water and nutrients. Furthermore, they cast significant shade that can prevent potato plants from receiving sufficient sunlight. In contrast, spinach and lettuce work wonderfully with potatoes. These shallow-rooted leafy greens utilize different soil layers than potatoes, thereby maximizing your garden space. Additionally, their broad leaves provide natural ground cover that suppresses weeds and retains soil moisture. Ultimately, successful companion planting creates a harmonious, diverse ecosystem in your garden. By thoughtfully placing compatible plants together, you'll naturally increase yields, reduce pest problems, and improve flavor, all without relying heavily on chemical interventions. So next time you plant potatoes, remember they're perfect partners and watch your garden transform into a thriving, interconnected community where every plant plays its unique and valuable role.